What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to screen mirror your iPhone to any TV wirelessly, and it doesn't matter the type or brand of TV you have, whether it's a Hisense Smart TV, LG, Samsung, an Android TV, a Google TV, any brand or type of TV at all. By the end of this video, I'm going to guide you on how to connect and mirror your iPhone screen to your TV, and this works pretty well and fast as well. Now first things first, on your TV you want to go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. Over here is a Hisense TCL Smart TV, but just go ahead and do the same steps for any TV you have. So head over to the settings of your TV. In my case, I'll be going over to the left hand side. This is where I have the settings. You can as well press on the settings button on your remote control to open up the settings of any TV you have. Now go over to the connection or internet settings, and then go over to the network settings and make sure that your TV's Wi-Fi is turned on and also connected to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. Mine, as you can see over here, is currently connected to my hotspot network. And on your iPhone, you want to also make sure you connect to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So swipe down to the notification center of your iPhone. So I'll just come over to the Wi-Fi settings, and then also make sure I connect to my hotspot network. As you can see, they are both connected to the same hotspot network at this particular point. Now finally, what you want to do is to locate the AirPlay feature of your TV. And if you're using a Hisense TCL Smart TV or a Samsung TV, LG TV, by default your TV should actually come with the AirPlay feature, and you can actually just find that from the connection or connectivity settings of the TV. But if you're using an Android TV or a Google TV, then you will have to download a third-party app that will serve as the AirPlay for you to be able to connect and screen mirror your iPhone to your TV. So basically, if you're using a TV that has the Apple AirPlay feature like the Hisense TCL Smart TV or the LG TV or the Samsung Smart TV, all you just have to do is to head over to the settings of your TV one more time. So come over to settings, and then from the settings you should be able to find the Apple AirPlay feature over here. Or if you don't find it, go over to the connection or connectivity settings and you should be able to find the Apple AirPlay feature. Mine is actually the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Once you locate the Apple AirPlay feature, go ahead and select it. And then at this point, you want to make sure that you turn on the Apple AirPlay feature of your TV. As you can see, mine at the top is actually turned on. And now to screen mirror your iPhone to the TV, you just want to swipe down through this notification center and then just go ahead and click on the screen mirroring icon, which is basically these two boxes stacked upon each other. Just select it and your iPhone will start to search for available devices it can actually connect or screen mirror your iPhone screen to. You just go ahead and select it, and automatically your iPhone screen will be mirrored to your TV. Also, if you're trying the screen mirroring feature for the first time, you will get the prompt to enter a verification code from your TV. Just go ahead and enter it on your iPhone and you're good to go. However, if you have an Android or a Google TV that does not actually come with an Apple AirPlay feature by default, like in my case over here now, I have an Android TV, all you just have to do is to head over to the Google Play Store so that we can get the third-party app that will now serve as the Apple AirPlay feature on our Android or Google TV. So open up the Google Play Store, and then from the top search bar, you want to go ahead and search for AirDroid. You're actually going to find other applications that can also do the same thing. So here you can see different applications, but one of the apps I like to use is AirDroid. So just go ahead and select it. Make sure you download and install this app into your Android or Google TV and you're good to go. Once it is downloaded and installed into your Android or Google TV, just go ahead and open it up. Make sure that both your iPhone and your Android or Google TV are still connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. And once you open up the app, this is how it is going to look like. At this point, you also want to swipe down the notification center of your iPhone, click on the screen mirroring icon, which is this two box icon, and then you should be able to find the name of the AirDroid app that has been installed into your Android or Google TV. At this point, you just want to click on AirDroid over here, and then automatically your iPhone will be casted and screen mirrored to your Android or Google TV. And again, this works absolutely well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.